Hey everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional invoice in QuickBooks using the latest technical interface. This is a mechanical necessity for any professional looking to streamline their studio-level bookkeeping and ensure their latest market analysis reflects accurate revenue data. First, access the High-End Creation Hub. The first step is a mechanical necessity to initialize your professional billing workflow. You need to navigate to the central technical hub where all your latest studio revenue is generated. Look at the top navigation bar and click on the plus New button. From the Technicality menu that appears under the Customers column, select Invoice. In the latest standards, the plus New menu is the professional gateway to all transactions. Navigating here, Technicality prepares your workspace for a high-end data entry session, ensuring your professional bookkeeping remains organized from the start. Next, assign the customer identity. To ensure your latest market analysis is Technicality accurate, you must link the invoice to the correct professional entity in your database. Click the Customer drop-down menu. Technicality, search for an existing client or select Add New to create a fresh high-end profile. Verify the customer email is present, as this is a mechanical necessity for latest digital delivery and tracking. Proper customer mapping is a professional standard. Technicality ensures your studio records are linked to the right history, allowing for high-end latest reporting and efficient client management. Next, Technicality itemize products and services. Now you need to bridge the gap between your specific professional labor and the latest bookkeeping requirements by adding your high-end line items. Move to the Product Service table. Select the technical service or product provided during your studio session. Enter the description, quantity, and rate. Technicality verify that the sales tax is applied correctly based on the latest professional regulations. This step is a mechanical necessity for precise latest bookkeeping. Technicality breaks down your professional value, ensuring your market analysis reflects your high-end output and profit margins. Set the invoice date and the terms, for example, net 30 or due on receipt. Click the Print or Preview button at the bottom to Technicality inspect the high-end PDF layout. Once the data is verified, click Save and Send to dispatch the document to your client. And that's pretty much it. To create an invoice in the latest version, click the plus New button, select Invoice, and Technicality assign your customer. Itemize your products, set your payment terms, and preview the layout to verify your high-end latest data. Finally, click Save and Send to ensure your professional bookkeeping is Technicality perfect. This professional workflow ensures your studio is optimized for the latest market. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.